provide tremendous benefits to our environment. They prevent soil erosion by holding the ground together with their roots and lessening the impact of rain on the ground. They maintain soil fertility, help regulate climate patterns, and even aid in the fresh water cycle through transpiration, a process where plants actually release water vapor from their leaves. Rainforests also act as the lungs of our planet, taking carbon out of our atmosphere and putting oxygen back into it. With a growing population and an increasing food demand, particularly for meat, more agricultural land is needed to meet demand. Some of the world's most fertile land has already been depleted by overuse and overgrazing, so humans turn to forests to meet their land needs, cutting and burning down trees to clear the land for agriculture. An area of about 40 football fields of rainforest disappears in the world every minute. In northern Africa, climate change and over-farming have degraded the region's formerly productive Sahel region. This has caused severe desertification, turning once fertile green lands into dry, parched landscapes. In fact, when powerful dust storms blow from the region northwards into Europe, the desert dust is taken with it, turning skies in Spain orange, leaving several millimeters of dust on everything, and making the air quality hazardous. In an attempt to restore this region back to its natural habitat, the UN has begun a multi-decade program called the Great Green Wall, spanning 11 African countries. The goal is to plant trees and make the land viable for growing food and supporting people and animals again. Malaysia supplies about 1/3 of the world's palm oil, which is an ingredient used in tons of food products like potato chips, candy bars, ice cream, cereals, cheese, crackers, peanut butter, and granola bars. Chances are you have some food at home right now that contains palm oil from Malaysia. The palm oil industry is important for Malaysia's economy, but it also means that forest cover in the country is being destroyed at a devastating rate to make room for more palm oil farms to keep up with demand. It's a tricky balance, providing people with economic opportunities to raise themselves and their families out of poverty while also conserving nature. Malaysia is just one of many countries going through the growing pains of developing an economy, and the government is working hard to protect and sustainably manage its rainforests through strategies like increasing public awareness of the value of rainforests, involving local communities and drawing from their know-how in forest restoration and projects, promoting ecotourism, designing areas to protect biodiversity. Even each of you, halfway across the world, can make choices that impact the conservation of Malaysia's rainforests and forests in other parts of the world, largely by the foods you choose to buy and eat. Composting your food is another way to try and improve the nutrients in your soil at home. What are some other ways you can help conserve and protect our forests and soil resources?